Well, guys, look at what I'm going to give and who's this?
Snack bars.
And we're doing some cool stuff today.
First you say smash the like button.
Smash the like button, goosebumps.
So now we're doing some Dig It Dinos, where you get fantastic eggs, and you can get a wide variety of prehistoric monsters. This is for 5 and over, but snack bars with trained professionals. So 1 egg for snack bars, 1 egg for honest Gabe.
Smash it with your chisel.
Smash it with your chisel. Hold it like this with your hand. Now start smashing it. Smash it.
Oh.
I hear the dinosaurs inside.
Mom, watch what I'm doing.
Here, don't I try to help you chisel
Mom,
it?
we watch what I'm doing on the camera.
It's got me!
Dad, let Alma do it.
I know I am. There's a dinosaur inside there. I felt it. He bit the chisel. Here. Wipe your chisel off. Wipe your chisel. That looks like dinosaur poop, I think.
Ouch. How are you doing?
What's this? I see it. It looks like dinosaur blood. Look at it. You see the dinosaur in there. Is it dinosaur blood or is it dinosaur poop? I think it's poop. Delicious. Let me see it. Yes, poop. It's poop. How are you?
Look at him. Look at.
I see it. What is this? What is it? Grab it. It's a baby dinosaur. Do you hear it? Give it little smooches.
Let's see what else is it.
Dad, let me do this by myself.
Okay.
Don't touch it, he's a baby.
There's so much dinosaur poop everywhere.
Mom, watch what I'm doing.
We are. I hear your dinosaur in there. Get him out of there.
Stop.
You got dinosaur poop egg on you. These dinosaurs poop like maniacs. Is that dinosaur eating his own poop? Oh, I'll put him inside of his poop nuggie again.
Hey, Dad, give me a napkin for when I want to clean up.
There's just so much poop on your hands right
Me
now.
too.
Here.
I have a lot of poop on my hands.
Yeah, here. Clean the poop off the dinosaur. He's a baby.
Which one did I get? Show us on the...
I think she got a Passalopora plus.
Parasaura plus.
Daddy, will you get the water?
We will in a second. Come on, Alice, Gabe. Smash it out.
Hey, Dad, why does the poop fall on the floor?
Naughty babe.
Tastes like dino poop. Delicious.
Naughty babe.
That dinosaur poop tastes like Burger King.
Get it, Gabe.
Gabe, you want me to
Get it
help
on us,
you?
Gabe.
No.
Oh, look at
Just let me take my time.
Oh, he's eating his poop.
Oh,
It tastes disgusting.
But he loves it,
I think
right?
you got some dinosaur poop on your face.
Where?
Come on, Alice, Gabe. Smash the egg open.
There.
help you?
Daddy, help her get
Dad,
that dinosaur poop off
Dad,
your face.
let me take my time.
We'll get it going, honest Gabe. We're already at 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Wait, I think there's some more stuff in here.
That dinosaur's not going to survive that long in a poop nugget.
Dad, will you help me?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, poop everywhere.
Dad,
There's poop everywhere.
Tons of poop. Okay, honest Gabe, I'm going to have to help you with the poop. Yes.
Dad, I finally got it.
You're going to hurt yourself.
No.
Honest Gabe.
No.
Get. Here, now go. I see a dinosaur.
Why did you do that?
Because he couldn't breathe in the poop nugget.
I'm trying to do it.
You got so much poop on your face. Dino poop everywhere.
I'm doing my arm, you
Okay.
baby.
Get the dinosaur out. He barely can breathe in there.
He can't breathe.
let's see which one I got. Let's skip.
So honest Gabe, you keep digging. What should people do if they like your videos?
Subscribe.
All right. I think we're going to end the video.
That's fine.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.